I met him in the Home Depot parking lot right here. It's not what you know, it's who you know. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Joseph here with Washpreneurs. Today we have a super exciting video. As you can see, all the equipment behind me, it's gonna be amazing. Casey Ellis,
Hot Power Wash.
Hot Power Wash, based out in St. Cloud, Florida. We're just gonna take a ride with him around one of his commercial jobs we got going on and ask him a little bit about himself. If you guys are learning to get into pressure washing or anything like this is a great video to learn. We're on the road to 10K subscribers, so I would definitely appreciate if anybody subscribed. And let's get into the video. It's gonna be an exciting video. Quick, just run us through your setup, what you got going on here.
I'm gonna run off this machine today. It's just a Honda GX 690. I think it's like a 25 horse Honda, but that's an 8 gallon per minute machine.
We got a water tank here.
Yep,
it's about 500. Wow.
I love that thing. Yeah. If y'all.
So why pressure washing?
I think I was just kind of on the Facebook, messing around, you know, kind of was kicking around some ideas. And then when you get into it, you're like, you realize how many people are.
Right. So how does one acquire a Chili's restaurant pressure washing job?
This has been years in the making, if you want to say that.
Okay.
This is actually a friend of mine from high school.
Oh, wow.
She's one of the managers here. And here it is, you know, 20 years later.
Yep.
I got this count out of
helping each other. Yep. He got this job just because he knew the manager in the Chili's. He knew them for multiple years. He went to school with her. 20 years later, they are helping each other out in life. Prime example of using your resources, talking to people you know, letting them know that you have a business. So guys, this is a prime example of parking your truck in a spot where you don't have to move it again, okay? So he got it here to where half the hose can go on the left side of the building, so come back around on the right side of the building, and he does not have to move the truck because it saves you time, all right? How long would a job like this, commercial size, usually take you if you didn't have a kid running around asking a million questions?
Hour and a half.
Okay.
You know, 2 hours at the most.
thank you, Ellis, for your time today, man. I appreciate it a lot. There's tons of knowledge in this video for you guys who wanting to learn or wanting to grow, because you got people like me who are already starting and they're just looking to grow. Okay, so I recommend reaching out to your other local pressure washing businesses, and some people will look out and you guys can build a relationship. So like I said, thank you for all the knowledge, and hope to see you in the future. And
sure, brother.
Anything you want to shout out, you know, check them out. ELLIS Hot Power Washing in St. Cloud, Florida. And you guys see the proof is in the work right now, man. Look how clean everything came out. So check them out, guys.
It all stemmed from one question to one act of kindness.
Yep.
So
I literally just I asked him if he could help me out in the Home Depot parking lot, and this is where it led. And this goes back to almost every video on my channel. I say you never know the opportunity that you're gonna get from just doing something, just even doing it. Like, it doesn't have to even be I do it right. It just doing it, you know. I needed help. Most people would have sat there and struggled and said, because maybe their pride is too high, or maybe they don't have the confidence of, I said, man, this guy looks like he knows what he's doing. Hey, can you help me real quick? You know, because it saves me my time.
And here we are.
And here we are, bro. So, you know, it's wonderful. It's wonderful how things work. So good luck to you and your business. And maybe we'll be doing chilies together next door to each other. You know what I mean?
We'll be owning some chilies.
All right, there you go, man. Appreciate you, boss. Guys, like, subscribe. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So I appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. And let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comments. Stay tuned. Washpreneurs out.